In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add stroke inside in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a shape, give it color, and set its stroke so it sits neatly inside the shape without changing its outer dimensions, perfect for clean, consistent UI elements. First, head over to figma.com and sign in so you can access your files. On the start screen, click All Projects. This gives you a full view of everything you're working on. Pick the project you want, then open the file where you'll be adding the shape. It's helpful to switch to the right page or frame now so you're working in the correct spot. Next, look for the Shape tool at the bottom of the interface. Click it to reveal your shape options. You can use a rectangle, ellipse, or any basic shape depending on what you're designing. Choose a shape and place it on the canvas by clicking once for a default size, or click and drag to set a custom size as you go. Now adjust the shape until it looks the way you want. Drag the edges to resize. Use the corner nodes to round the corners if needed, and position it exactly where it belongs in your layout. Taking a moment here ensures your stroke will sit perfectly and won't require rework later. If you want the shape to have a fill, you can add color from the right-hand sidebar under Fill. Pick a color that contrasts well with the stroke you plan to use. A clear contrast makes the stroke more visible and easier to judge as you fine-tune it. Then click on Stroke in the right-hand sidebar. If the stroke is off, turn it on. Choose your stroke color so it stands out against the fill. Now for the key part, in the stroke alignment options, select Inside. This tells Figma to draw the stroke within the bounds of your shape, so the outer edges stay exactly where you set them. It's especially useful when you're aligning elements to strict grids or when you don't want the shape's footprint to grow. Finally, adjust the stroke weight to your desired thickness. Use the number field or arrows to dial it in precisely. Because the stroke is set to inside, increasing the weight expands inward, preserving the shape's outer size and alignment. Give it a quick look at different zoom levels to confirm the edges appear crisp and consistent. And that's it. Shape placed, color set, stroke aligned inside, and weight adjusted for a polished professional result.